Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can generate thumbnails using AI. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and please do not skip the video so you don't miss on any step. So this is an interface you can see that is open on my screen. You can access this for free by using the link in my description box. After you click the link in description box, you are going to land on this site, and here you are going to generate your free thumbnails. Now you can see there's this option of generate with AI. This is just a new feature. You have to click this option. After you click this option, you can see here we have many options in which we can choose any, but right now we have to make a thumbnail, so I'm going to choose this one, AI thumbnail maker. After I click this, you can see that the page is being loaded, and now I have to just choose what I want. Now first I'm going to write the title for my video. For example, I'm going to write how to cook noodles or noodle recipes only. You can write whatever you want. I'm going to write noodles recipes. Now I'm simply going to click next, and then you can see I have to choose a template for the style of my thumbnail. Now if I scroll down a little bit, you can see I have so many options. Now these are for shorts. These thumbnails are for shorts, the videos that are shorts in YouTube. And if you want YouTube thumbnails, you can go over here. Right now I'm going to choose any from here. Now as you know, my title is regarding some recipes, so I'm going to click this one. You can choose any template that you like, and then I'm going to click, and after I have selected this, I'm going to click generate. And then you have to wait till AI makes your thumbnail. I'll be back once it's generated. So here you can see that my thumbnail is ready. I have three options you can see over here. This is the second one and this is the third one. AI has generated three thumbnails for me. I can edit these by adding text, media, visuals, or AI images and my own assets too. I can change the template also. So this was an easy process that you can use to create free thumbnails using AI. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again. Also, you can export this by clicking over here.